Hello.
Come in.
Yeah, come in. Welcome to our Four Seasons villa. This is the main living space, little work desk and chill out zone over here. Mila, come.
What have we got here?
Shall we show them, Mila?
We've got some chocolates, Mila.
So sweet. Obviously they know we were bringing Mila. Well, they never told us that they were going to add loads of Him touches, which is really sweet. So there's a sterilizer here and a bottle warmer. So it's super handy. You'll all know if you have baby that these are things that you rely on. And the baby touches continue. So there's a little baby step here so Mila can stand on there and wash her hands. And some little nappies here which she's already found. Into the double shower. So there's the indoor rain shower here, which is beautiful, has a little seat, nice in there. And then if you want to go, we have the outdoor one.
Each villa comes with their own bicycle, and our one has a little baby seat on the back.
What are you doing, babes? Bit too high for your little legs?
A little bit high.
Bit too high. Oh, small leg problem. What do you think, Mila?
Let's go, Bubba.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Having the bikes was the perfect way to explore the island. We cycled to Claudine, the main restaurant on the island, to have breakfast before riding a loop of the resort. We hung out at the pool, let Mila have a nap, and then it was time to visit a very special sanctuary. We were driven the short 5-minute journey through towering palm trees to the other side of the island. Mila was able to get in her daily dose of hellos and goodbyes as we headed to learn about the giant alder-bred tortoises that inhabit the Seychelles. The sanctuary are helping to re-establish a population after the species were endangered not too long ago. Learning about all they do here was fascinating, and being able to spend time with them, feeding them and walking with them was such a special encounter, definitely one for the memory books. We got back to our villa just in time to watch the sunset and listen to the waves roll by as dusk turned to dark.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we've cycled here. Mila, bless her, she fell asleep on the way here, but now she's woken up. Cocktail in paradise. The only thing we've seen closest to this with the palm trees is when we were in Thailand. We've just got to be careful with the coconuts. Don't get hit by a coconut. It is so unbelievably hot. But Mila's been champion throughout. She's just been playing with the coconuts.
We're going back to the villa and we're going to jump in the pool, cool off for a bit, and then we've got a special lunch this afternoon.
So right now we are going to go for a dip because I think someone is very hot. Get some work done and we'll see you. We'll see you in a bit. We've just got to Madame Zab Beach. It's literally just around the corner from where we were this morning with all those palm trees. And we were due to have a beach picnic, but we've got here and there's nothing here waiting. So the guy who dropped us off kindly radioed through, and to be honest, I think they forgot. But we're not complaining.
No, we've got the beach to ourselves. There's 1,000,001 palm trees to look at through that view. We've got milk, so we're all good. We're all good, aren't we, baby?
Not complaining, but definitely starving. Stranded and starving. Nothing else to do but grab some water and head for a walk along the beach. When the beach looks like this, you can't stay mad for long. The food did finally turn up, so we ate and put Mila down for a seaside nap.
She fell asleep, yes! Even though when she's asleep, we're always like, Oh, where is she? Why is she not awake?
Yeah, she's been really good. I mean, obviously it's difficult, and people always ask us all the time, like, but how do you cope with nap times and jet lag and putting her down at night if you're filming or you're shooting or you're going out for dinner? And to be honest, yeah, this holiday has been more challenging because she's 1 now. Pre-1 and earlier, like pre-6 months, like they're easy, it's a dream, they sleep wherever. But now obviously it's old.
Mila was easy. We're not implying that your kid will be easy, we're just saying from our personal experience.
Yeah.
Mila was easy.
Yeah, she was. But babies in general are more adaptable when they're younger. The way that we see it is, or the way that we have worked with her is, we have a routine, so she knows like when it's nap time, but it doesn't really matter where it is. So for example, at night time, she knows if she has bath and bottle and bed, then it's night time. So whether that's an hour early or an hour late, depending on what we're doing or where we are, she's adaptable, she's fine. Babies do take a lot off of you, so as long as you're calm and you just go with the flow, then they'll go with the flow too. I know it can seem stressful, I know it's overwhelming, and I'm only talking from a first-time mum experience, and obviously Mila to us is a dream, so we're very fortunate, but we've took her traveling and working with us since she was a week old. I don't know whether that's a part of it. Go with it, trust your instinct, have a little routine, take some familiar things with you like her sleep bag and a few toys that she knows are her comfort zone, and she'll be okay everywhere.
Yeah.
It seems it wasn't just the food they forgot at the beach, it was us too. Good job I saved a banana for Mila. After radioing a pickup and not so smoothly putting the radio back in its holder, they arrived. Transported us back to our villa just as the skies were turning pink. We just got back to our villa, and you know how we mentioned earlier that we think they might have forgotten our beach picnic this afternoon? Well, there was something waiting in our villa that made us think that perhaps they did. After crawling out of bed, who are we kidding, we have a 1-year-old, we were up at the crack of dawn, we waved goodbye to our island home, grabbed our passports and headed for the skies. A swift 35-minute flight later and we've landed back in Mahe. There to meet and greet us was our old pal Derek. As we had the full day before our flight back to Dubai, Four Seasons Mahe kindly invited us back to spend the day in paradise.
Okay, so that's it. That's our, what was meant to be 6 nights trip, turned into a 5-night trip, but it was just amazing, pure paradise. Both islands have their own little unique features that are just beautiful.
And I feel like, yeah, the Seychelles I think a lot of people think of as like a honeymoon destination, and definitely it ticks that box, but also if you're traveling with young ones, there's so much to do for babies and kids, and there's even kids clubs, and all the staff have been so wonderful and so friendly, and Mila's just had the time of her life. Bye bye. We're signing off. Peace out from Mila.
So for now, we'll see you later.